As the solar industry continues to grow, more and more end-of-life solar panels need to be recycled efficiently. Today we introduce our solar panel frame and junction box removing machine, designed for fast, safe and automated dismantling. This machine is specially designed to remove aluminum frames and junction boxes from solar panels at the same time. Compared with manual dismantling, it greatly improves efficiency while reducing labor costs. The system precisely separates the aluminum frame and removes the junction box in one smooth process. With high processing efficiency, this machine can handle large volumes of solar panels continuously. It is ideal for solar panel recycling plants. Contact us today for more information and customized solutions.